my name is and I am in the 5th grade. Today I want to talk about a fun day I had camping with my family. Sometimes my mom and daddy take me camping to a quiet place with trees and fresh air. When we arrive, we set up a big tent together and I like helping with that. After the tent is ready, I look for bugs like grasshoppers and beetles. I also like to find the rocks and flowers. It's so much fun to explore. Then we eat together. My daddy grills meat and it smells really good. Food always tastes better when we eat it outside. I also love playing in the water. Sometimes there's a river and I splash and jump around. Camping makes me feel happy because I get to enjoy nature with my family. Thank you, Mom and Daddy, for making such great memories with me. I love you. Thank you for listening.